Sometimes, and quite frequently in children's books, you'll have different images at the beginning of chapters, depending on point of view, location, or some other aspect of the story. Can you do that automatically in Scrivener 3 for Windows? Hi, my name's Juliet, and the answer to that question is yes. Here's how. Just a note before we start. I don't see how this could work if the graphic isn't in the binder, so make sure you have everything imported there before you start. This process works by using the custom metadata field. Go into the custom metadata in the inspector and create a list. The list name is what you use in the code, so I'm doing what Scrivener suggested and calling it chapter graphic. Now create entries for all the images you're going to use with their exact names in the list. Next, go through all your chapters in the binder and choose the graphic you want to show for that chapter from the list. Next, go into Compile and add in this code in the prefix and/or suffix boxes where you want it. I'm putting it in both, but you might want a standard graphic at the top and a custom one underneath, for example. If you want to add sizing info, etc., as we did before, put that between the last two greater than symbols. Then compile. It's that easy. I'm definitely going to be using this in new editions of a series that I'm hoping to get out later this year, because it's so much easier than actually doing this straight into Word. If you want to know more about sizing placeholder graphics, check out this video here.